Hello there, and welcome to nonverbal reasoning. Nonverbal reasoning is all about pictures and diagrams and trying to work out patterns and sequences. So let's have a look at our first question here. So how many figures below have the same shape head as the figure shown above? So the same shape head as the figure shown above. So if we look at this particular figure here, which is our original figure, let's have a look at this. So we've got in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 sides here. So every pattern is different, by the way, but let's just write this down. So we've got 6 sides in this particular original shape at the top, okay? And at the same time, you've got some 2 goggly eyes, but you can't see any goggly eyes in any of the shapes A, B, C, D, or E at the bottom. And it's got a strange looking mouth, which is very different to all the other shapes A, B, C, D, and E at the bottom as well. So in this case, I'm going to be focusing solely on this number of sides. But just remember that every question is very different. So let's have a look at these next shapes. So here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Okay. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Okay, let's write that down. For D, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides again. And for the last one, E, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. All right, so in this case, the question says choose the 3 correct options. So in this case, I would go for A, C, and D as my answer. Okay, so you've got to be very introspect and look at the options and the patterns in a lot of detail as well. So just have a quick look at the next option. So here, in this particular question is slightly different. It says work out which of the following figures shown below is most like the 2 figures shown above. Let's have a look at this example first of all. So we've got a white triangle here. Okay, white triangle with 3 sides. As we know, triangles always have 3 sides, no matter what type of triangle it is. Next shape is a black triangle, and again, it's got 3 sides. All right. So let's have a look at our pattern here. So this is a 4-sided shape, so it's not going to be A. C is multiple sides, so that's not correct. D is a circle, that's not correct. E is a pentagon, that's also wrong. So we're going to go for the triangle, which is also 3 sides. Even though it's white, that will be our correct answer. All right. Now let's have a look at another question here. So again, remember the question, work out which of the figures shown below is most like the 2 figures shown above. So these 2 figures are going to be our main figures that we need to look at, figure 1 and figure 2, and we need to find out A, B, C, D, or E, which one is similar to figure 1 and figure 2. So looking at these particular figures here, I can see that they are both square at the bottom, square shape at the bottom, square shape at the bottom. I can see that this is black and white balloon, and the same here, black and white balloon. All right. Now let's have a look and see the original question again. How many options? So choose the correct option. So we're looking at a particular option, one correct option in this case. Now, looking at this shape here, the first one, sorry, it's not black and white and it doesn't have a square. So let's cross this out. This one is not black and white balloon and it doesn't have a square. Let's cross that out. This one is black and white, but it doesn't have a square at the bottom. So let's just cross this out as well. With D, it is black and white and it does have a square. So let's just tick that for now. And E is not black and white and it doesn't have a square either. So in this case, I would say that D will be our correct option. So have a look at the patterns as you go one by one and decide which one is your correct answer. But please make sure that you do read the questions properly. Good luck with this. Thank you.